So this is my Brooks B, as in Bravo 67 saddle on from my Surly disc trucker. And the other day, my wife walked by the bike and just grabbed the seat. She thought the bike was going to fall, and the tension bolt sheared off. Now, I've read that this is not an uncommon problem, and I ordered a new tension bolt, a Brooks tension bolt, but I have to tell you, it's a very strange thing. And before I get into that, I'm going to show you the underside of my Brooks 67. I think I've had this for about 3 years now, and I'm a big man. I weigh a lot, and you can see that the rivets are starting to break, and that is of concern, but it's not of a concern that I'm going to do anything right now, because I don't have time. So my goal today is to, while I'm waiting for a new Brooks tension pin, to try to put a bolt back that's going to work to tension the leather and the seat. And at my local Ace Hardware, the closest we've been able to come is an 8 by 1.25 millimeter hex end, 5 millimeter there, nut and locking bolt. The reason why this is strange is that this nut from Brooks goes so far and then stops, and it must be some type of a jam nut, or it's a different kind of nut. Now, I don't know when I get it from the company I bought the nut from, but the way this is supposed to work is this nut, excuse me for that, is supposed to go into this bracket like this. And of course this nut would be all the way down here, and then you can tension the leather and the seat. I'm hoping to accomplish the same thing with this 8 millimeter nut. 8 by 1.25 metric bolt and locking nut, and we shall see if this is going to work. And I bought a shorter shorter bolt, because it's going to be easier to deal with. At least some of the directions indicate. And last but not least, my seat comes with that bracket right there with a hole, and I plan on using a Allen wrench, metric Allen wrench, 5 millimeter, to hold it while I tension the seat. Now, the original Brooks comes with a top like that, and that little indentation must lock into someplace in there. I can't feel anything, but that has to be how it works. So wish me luck. I'm about to embark on the Brooks B67 tension bolt repair.